guys, today you're watching my channel and my channel name is Sadi Draws and my name is Sadi. So today I'm going to be unboxing a new thing. Sorry for the late upload, I don't know why, but because we were doing some other stuff. So today I'm making a new video. So today I'm going to be not unboxing but just showing because it's already unboxed. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a review of a candle stand, or you can say it's a cage, because this is like that. So I've got the candles right here. These are the small ones that can fit inside. So I've got these all, if you put them like that, and then like that. It looks pretty nice. I like it. And you can even put some of them right here. Like, I bought this one for I didn't buy this from Abid's, but I didn't buy these two from Abid's. Bye. These were just for demonstration. So this all stuff is put this on. Look at that. Ooh. Look at that. Okay, so now there's a mistake in this thing. Okay, so guys, we bought this from Abid's. So Abid's, as I told you, it is a lot of videos that Abid's is a shop. Alright, so I want to tell you where I bought this from, like a lot of videos I do. So we bought this from Abid's Gift Shop. It's the best gift shop I've ever seen. There might be more, but I think that's the best one. So this is made out of metal. Yep. Well, everything is almost made out of metal, and this is glass. And this is plastic. And electric. So, put this aside, and then you can see from Abid Gift Center, 60 rupees. I'm gonna put the USD right on right here. Okay, you can see. All right. Hello. He's pulling the microphone. Mama. All right, so I'm gonna tell you how much does this cost. So this metal structure costs actually 2,600 rupees. Okay, so now you can see the bird is just standing on this bar right here. You can see it's very nice. It's alive. That's cool. So, and if you want to, you can even use this as a birthday gift. But my skin color is not yellow. I'm sorry. Ugh! Oh, why does it make that noise when I try to get it up? As a guitar. And you can do something else with it. So, this place, you can just go like water. That's cool. And you can see the bottom of it. There's not really much to see, but just these metal spheres. And you can see, actually, this is not just a bar here. It has branches with the good texture of leaves on it. And this is painted gold. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of gold. I'm just kidding. This is not real gold. This is metal. And you can see there are the plates where you can put this thing. And then you can put it there. And then the bird's like, I want to drink some candle water. And then you can even hang this if you want, but you're going to have to glue this to there, like this. Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for today. So I've put the Abid's everything on the corner of the screen. If you want to get something, they deliver all over the Pakistan, and they have good prices, and it's a good quality. So that's it for today. So, okay, guys, I'm gonna end the video right here.